How does dopamine work? Chemically, dopamine is transmitted through neurons. When dopamine leaves a neuron, it binds onto different types of receptors known as D1 and D2-like receptors. The neurons binding on gives off the reward effect, which is the cause and result of action potentials, which are the electrical impulses. And then dopamine reuptake happens, where the dopamine neurotransmitters get sent back onto its previous neuron through proteins called dopamine transporters. And these dopamine aren't just scattered across the neuron, they're located within thin-walled sacs called synaptic vesicles. Why is dopamine important for us? It plays a crucial role in how we think, move, and most importantly, how we process reward. Dopamine is most commonly released from neurons in the midbrain. From the midbrain, it sends dopamine to different parts of our brain. The mesocortical pathway sends the dopamine to the outer layer of the brain from the VTA, which is how our cognition works, such as decision making. The nigrostriatal pathway connects the substantia nigra to the striatum, which plays a role in our voluntary movement. In terms of reward processing, however, dopamine is a cause for motivation and pleasure. The mesolimbic pathway does this by sending dopamine to limbic structures from the VTA, which is for our processing and rewards.